Well, hello friends. Welcome to Snowmageddon 2022. We're working on it today. We had about, I don't know, 14 inches, 16 inches of snow last night. We've been cleaning up for 2 hours so far. Digging all the vehicles out. Jake's doing the trim work a little bit on the Massey Ferguson. Try to get in there because without the change, the thing's almost useless, but it's not, because it's so small compared to the TYM. I mean, you can get it into small spaces. It's pretty nimble. I'm not gonna lie, it's cold as balls to operate. Frozen brass balls. But you can see what we're getting for snow here. That big pile there is a barbecue underneath there, believe it or not. There's a tractor buried in there. There's the roof. There's the porch. Here comes the Massey. Two tractor effort. Whew. Of course, the wind's picking up. Not a huge snowstorm by apparently, from what my neighbors tell me, New Brunswick standards, but it's snow nonetheless. Certainly a lot more you get in southern Ontario. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Cold? Huh? Are you cold? So it's too hard to get into these corners with the big TYM, so Jake will go in there and knock some of this crap out, and then I'll come up and scoop it along. So that gives you the idea of you could do this all with a little tractor like this. Probably take you a fair bit of time, and the big suffering here is no chains. I need a set of chains real bad to make this, how do you say, more doable? Yeah, these 12 428s. You running all right?
Yeah.
Well, that's all right. We'll get around it later. So this will give you an idea what we got going. That's what we got last night. So there's a neighbor's working on his property. Everybody's working hard. Snow piles are getting huge. So, oop, I gotta drag this once more. It's still deep. So that's what we're doing anyway. So during the Freedom 2022 convoy that everybody's bitching and complaining about, well, not everybody, but there's a lot of people bitching and complaining about, this is what we're doing. Total support of that effort, total support of freedom, total support of my right to choose what I'm going to do. I'm not anti-vax by any stretch of the imagination, but the lie has got to stop. You know, I don't remember getting multiple shots every 3 or 4 months for anything ever in my life. So there's that. That's all I got to say about that. We're just, you know, keeping it real. There you go. Giver. Okay. I gotta go back to plowing. I just thought I'd throw up a quick video for you guys, let you know what's going on up here in big, beautiful New Brunswick. But you know, I got one thing to say versus southern Ontario. We sure get a lot more snow, but my God, I've never had so much fun being outside in my life. I don't know. I couldn't imagine myself anymore being trapped in a condominium. Just couldn't do it. Anyway, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for all the new subscribers. We got a bunch. You guys have been awesome. Don't forget to hit the like button, ring the bell, and we'll get back to you soon. Thank you.